Just check out these little berry baskets that I found in a box of old shit just laying around the house. Yeah, I'm gonna polish these things back up and bring them back to life because I got a bunch of berry bushes outside that are going to need some picking here soon, and I'm going to need some berry baskets to collect the berries. You know what? So you gotta clean these fuckers up. I'm sanitizing them here with a little bit of vinegar on the inside because, you know, my berries are gonna be touching the inside of these fuckers. And then we're gonna be oiling them up on the outside here with some good old, what is this shit called? Old English. That's what that shit's called. We're gonna bring these things back to life. That's right, bitches just love baskets. So you know me, I'm gonna polish these things up and just make them look great. Yeah, buddy. A little bit of hard work takes or pays off. That's what I meant to say. Just look at these bastards shine. That's right. Yeah, buddy, brought them back to life. Going to pick some berries with them this spring and summer and give them another purpose in life. Don't just throw out old shit, my friends. Make it new again.